Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So in one of my previous videos, I showed you guys how I actually removed the chrome trim on the front bumper and wrapped it gloss black. However, I didn't really think it did enough to really enhance the front of the car. So for the past few weeks, I've been in search for a splitter that will really enhance the look of the car in the front. And there's tons of different splitters out there, but they all look kind of the same. And they have really big winglets on the side, which I don't really like. I mean, some people like them, but I just think they look way too aftermarket for a car like this. So after searching for a while, I did find a splitter for this car. It's gloss black, it's very inexpensive, and I think it definitely enhances the look of the car. So let me show you the splitter, and then we'll get to the install. So here is the brand new front splitter, and it actually looks really good for something that's only $100. It still looks pretty aggressive. It'll definitely enhance the front of the car. And you can tell the winglets are a lot smaller, which I prefer. So this splitter is just made of plastic and it's gloss black. And it actually comes in 3 pieces that I joined together. There's a seam right there and there's a seam right there. And it's just held on by 2 screws there, 2 screws there. And I'm perfectly fine with this being plastic in 3 pieces because at the end of the day, if there's any damage to this, it's very inexpensive to replace, and it's pretty easy to replace as well. To mount this to the car, there's already pre-drilled holes in specific areas, and it comes with the included hardware for that. I'm going to reinforce it with some 3M double-sided tape, just so I have some peace of mind that this is not going to come flying off on the highway. So with that being said, let's get to the install. So the first thing I'm going to do is all the holes along the splitter. I'm going to hold the splitter to the bottom of the car and mark it with a marker so that way I know where to drill the holes. Next, I'm going to use some isopropyl alcohol to clean the splitter before I install the double-sided tape. So before I mount it to the car, I'm gonna only screw in this center screw just so that way it's centered before I attach the sides. So once the splitter is attached to the car, I can go back and screw in all the screws, and that's it for the install. So what do you guys think? I think it looks amazing. It really enhances the front of the car, and for that price, you can't beat it. If you hit a curb or whatever, you just take it off and replace it. Big deal. So I really like the way it turned out. I'm really happy with it. I hope you guys did too. Make sure you stay tuned. I got tons and tons of mods for this car, inside, outside, engine, you name it. So if you like this video, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.